Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist David Paul. Midday on Sunday, January 5th. We are tracking a big storm system coming on through the country. A lot of snow on the map, breaking out from parts of the plain states all the way through really the mid-Atlantic at this point. Southward, it's a rain event, and we'll see that rain continue spreading off to the east as we go through time, and that will bring us some decent shower activity as we go through the overnight. Still some showers out there for the daytime period on Sunday, but the heavier rainfall, a little more widespread, comes in as we head into early Monday morning. Let me show you the temperatures because that will be the big change that we see over the days ahead. As we go through late day Sunday, watch the temperatures here kind of rise. That is getting into the overnight. And then that cold front comes on through. So midday Monday, cooler air working into the south. There's that freezing line coming on through. So let's look at Tuesday morning, 6 a.m., looking at temperatures in the Wiregrass in the upper 20s. Notice how cold it will be over that snowpack areas north. Not much of a recovery on Tuesday. High temperatures only peaking in the 40s. As we go into Wednesday morning, I'll stop it here at 6 a.m. Pretty cold again. Low temps, middle to upper 20s. As we get into Wednesday, midday only lower 40s for highs, and then even colder. The coldest air likely coming in for Thursday morning. Low temperatures widespread in the middle 20s, and that means some pockets will likely be in the lower 20s at that point as we go through time. Starting to rebound a little bit there going into Friday morning. Not as cold, lows in the 30s, and then a bit warmer on Friday as well as we track a storm system at that point. This scenario really interesting because it looks like that cold air comes in, hits the Gulf of Mexico, low pressure forms over the western Gulf, and the models here cranking out a decent snow system. Let me show you this. Starting Thursday morning, all the way through Friday. Notice that snow spreading from Texas up through Arkansas into parts of Tennessee, and there could be some snow. Check that out as I stop it there Friday midday across the northern part of Alabama, Huntsville northward towards Nashville certainly, and then back to the west. Again, a pretty good swath of snow setting up, and most of the models are coming into agreement on that scenario. So short term, that big area of snow spreads to the east as we go through time. Just incredible amounts up there over parts of Kansas, all the way through Missouri, Illinois, through the Virginias to the mid-Atlantic coast as we get into the day on Monday. And then that secondary system, check this out, that snow starts to break out Texas. That is during the day on Thursday, and then spreading off to the northeast. And again, there could be some snow showing up there over northern parts of Alabama and Mississippi as we get towards the latter portion of the week. As far as severe weather goes today, that bullseye area is west, a good chunk of Louisiana into Mississippi, seeing a slight to an enhanced risk. The Wiregrass, a marginal risk of severe weather as that line comes in. Not an ideal setup for severe weather in the Wiregrass, but we can't completely rule it out. There's a look at that front coming in. That'll be during the morning hours. This is for 5 o'clock in the morning on Monday. A line of showers and a line of storms, and within that line, some pockets of some gusty winds. There could be some weak rotation, but probably not enough energy in the atmosphere for any sustained rotation. But certainly watching that line as it comes on through again around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. That will push on through. That opens the door to that cooler air to the northwest that will come crashing in as we go through the week. So a big change in the pattern certainly as we go through the week ahead. And then as we get into late week, we will watch that chance for some snow areas north in the south. So quite a setup here for the next several days. Have that umbrella handy for the daytime period on Sunday, again for early Monday morning, and then we'll focus on the cold. That's it for this weather check on this Sunday. I'll see you soon.